Down in a city where the lights adorn the night, she's the law, he's the jeweler, worlds apart in sight. Her eyes sharp break-ins, the store's haunting plight brings her back to him, time after time. So right, but in the dance of crime and hearts that play, she feels the pull, can't look away. The game of alarms, a forbidden sway, caught in this whirlwind, night after day. She's the cop, he's the man with charms, caught in this dance, entwined in their arms. But duty calls with unyielding arms. She knows she must break away from these illicit charms. Amongst jewels and shattered panes, they share laughter amidst investigation's chains. In her mind a pattern brightly reigns, drawing her closer despite its illegal stains. But as connections deepen, so does her dread. Realization dawns, a heavy thread. Her heart whispers, the law's resounding spread. She must confront the truth that's long been unsaid. She's the cop, he's the man with charms, caught in this dance, entwined in their arms. But duty calls with unyielding alarms. She knows she must break away from these illicit charms. In her gaze, he sees the truth unfold. A love restrained, a story untold. Despite their bond, her oath takes hold. She steps away, her heart aching yet cold. She's the cop, he's the man with charms, caught in this dance, entwined in their arms. But duty calls with unyielding alarms. She knows she must break away from these illicit charms. In the city's heart, where the stories part, she walks away, guarding her heart. A love forbidden, torn apart. Their connection fades, an unfinished art. Ooh yeah.